Arisa wants to write A for us. Arisa, raise your hand when you're writing so that those on camera will see, okay?
Make it bigger, please.
Can you make it? Huh?
I was just going to say thank you to the last student. I heard you best of all, and you helped me learn that I forgot 2 letters.
Yeah, that's Noah.
Make it bigger, okay?
Good job, Noel.
Yeah.
Yes, Beverly's favorite.
Yeah. Beautiful. Can you write the small one? The same A.
Lowercase.
No, just right here.
By the side.
Fine, there. The lowercase A. A.
Go ahead now.
What you wrote before. You wrote
Lowercase a.
You wrote it here before. That's what you wrote here before.
Continue from that spot. Complete the A now. Or the A. Oh my God.
Okay. Let me help you. Hold it.
You're going to write a
Do you want to write it well now? That is A. Do you want to write it well? Okay, so write it. Good. Ndewo. Ndewo. Kaikora no Arinza aka. Arinza nyam oku, you know the cover. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. Who can write for me? Who can write?
Let him say what he's gonna write first.
Who can write for me? Gay. Junior. Write for me. Gay. Write it as big as Arinza did, okay?
The same way
I know.
How do you say this?
I don't know how to say it. I know, I don't know any better. I know that's
Appa, not appa.
No, Junior, that is not gay.
That's the A.
I know I'm looking at
The big G.
Yeah.
Uppercase G.
Gay.
Do the uppercase.
It's
Or not the big one.
okay. Gino, you know you wrote only the small.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Chichi, come and write for me. B. B. As in.
this is silent.
Better.
Yeah. Yes. That's a tricky one.
this GB is the same one using Igbo.
Uppercase first and then lowercase, okay?
She's the smart one.
I'm just glad that I can hear the difference now.
No, I
Yes.
mean like in writing.
Even if it's hard for me to make the sound
Yeah, you
myself.
too.
Yeah. B.
But then like when it comes to
Okay.
those,
Yeah, I mean, no much difference between upper and lower. Kai koro no chichi aka. Chichi ndewo. Kedu ege dere nwe chibikem that dere nwe. Chichi I like the mini dere. Omaka. Nwe Chibike is writing for us. Nwe. Right. Nwe. So you can write upper and lower cases.
Nicely done. Beautiful.
over there.
The last one was A, not B. Eventually, if I want to bring linguistics in, A and B are pronounced at the same part of the mouth. So the difference is that A is categorized voiceless, whereby B is categorized voice.
Not drawing.
So we use voice,
Calligraphy,
vibration,
huh?
when we pronounce B, as opposed to when we pronounce A, we don't use.
Chinora, please go back. Go back.
Okay, so they are. When is anybody online who wants to write for me? Shh. Who wants to give me shh? Online. Eileen. Shh. Eileen, you know about?
Girl, and if you mess up, we're all just gonna learn.
Yeah,
How
okay.
we don't write that sound.
Eileen, I want you to give us shh. Well, I said shh.
So again, this is the difference. In one, your voice box vibrates.
No, they are not the same class.
Aww.
They are not. So, but I mean, the pronunciations are different. So if I want to do ch, is ch, but I say ch. And part of the difference between the two is that one can be expanded, like sh, as opposed to ch.
So I'm guessing you're actually using a different part of your tongue to use your mouth.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Even though I might be doing it the same.
Yes. Eileen, I'm waiting. All right, Eileen gave us shh. She gave us shh as this. Kai kora ya naka. Okay, who can give us nye? Nye, okay. She, let's go. Can give us nye. I will call you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you spitting?
Kai Kuraya Naka.
Sweat.
Thank you. Ndewo. So you gave us nye. For those that are online, nye. And the lowercase. Okay. Nye. All right. Praise, come and give us nye. Nye. Nye.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Asante.
You're welcome. Praise, come and give us nye.
What is it? What is it?
Yes.
The one that said you should read it, did not read it well. I don't want to see him misbehaving. Did you hear me?
Okay. More preferably. Okay. I know they did this, yeah, but this is more conventional when you want to write. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Kai Kuranu praise Zaka. Okay.
Does the lowercase one have a tiny dot or a dash on it?
Any one of them, I mean, both of them can also have a tiny dot. I think it's a matter of, convention, what a person may be, used to doing. The bar is not always what you see, but you will always see the dot on the top. So the nge. So Kaiboya nge, everybody. Right now, when we were online, I was finding it difficult to make you people get these sounds correctly, which is very, very important. I know you might want to put on your mask a little bit to get this. Nge. I want to see it. Nye. Chichi, I want to see it. Not nye. If you do nye, you are doing NY. Okay, let me hear you. No, you do ne. You are doing ne. Nye. No, you're not getting it. Huh? Nye. Beautiful. Chibike got it. Nye. Nye. Good. I did. No, you did nye. Nye. So the sound is the sound you get in good morning. Nye. Good. So the last sound in good morning. Can you do that? That's what it is. Nye. So can you do that, Chichi? No, it's not yet. Like singing. Yes, like singing. That is the sound. Yes, the one in the middle. Beautiful. So when you're not saying singing, which is singing. So that is the sound. Okay, can you all do singing? Singing. No, praise do it, let me see. You got it. So it's a sound. Singing. Nge. Nge. Stop doing it. Good. Nge. All right. So all the no motaraya is important that you learn it. Can you take it? You can take the call.
Okay.